How to fix Verizon cannot make call. First of all, to fix this issue, you simply have to force a signal handshake and check the outages. First of all, swipe down from the top to open your device's quick control panel. Then tap on the airplane mode and wait 10 seconds and then turn it off. This drops stale data path and forces a fresh connection to the closest functional Verizon tower. And also, try to verify the outage realities. You simply have to open any web browser of your choice over your home Wi-Fi. Then go ahead and tap on that search bar. Then type down detector, Verizon status, or Verizon outage portal. Now once you open this official website, you should be able to check for active localized maintenance block if there is one. And then you can also perform a master network settings reset by simply opening your settings or your device's setting application, then go to general or go to the general management, then head to reset. You will find reset mobile network settings. Once you clear it, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.